Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome again. My name is Fareez Irwan by FIRDAUS. Today, I'm going to proceed to the exercise 2. In this exercise, you will learn both how to use a simulant device function in the Measurement and Automation Explorer, which is MAX, and also the DAQ assistant to get set up the channel and configure the virtual analog measurement. First, open the Measurement and Automation Explorer, aka MAX. An IDAQ MX simulate device are created within MAX unless you uncheck the feature using installation. I'm just gonna wait the refreshing will stop. Okay, under my system tree, right click on the device and interface and select create new. In the subsequent dialog, select the simulated and IDAQMX device and modular instrument. Click finish. The choose device window prompts you to select a device. Extend M series DAQ and select PCI 6221 as your simulate DAQ device that you would like to create. Click OK in the choose device window to close the window. Wait for the loading. And the QMX simulate device is just as a real device. You can use the QMX simulate device to create a task either through a DAQ assistant or the API. Okay, right click to the PCI 6221 DAQ card and select the test panel. Click the analog input tab under channel names. Be sure dev1/A0 is selected. Under mode, select finish. Make sure you rate it set to 1000 Hz and sample to read 100. Click the start button. This shows the ability to use MAX as a troubleshooting and testing tool before you begin programming to ensure your hardware is set up properly. When you finish, close the test panel windows and Measurement and Automation Explorer and return to the LabVIEW. Create a new blank VI and right-click on the block diagram to bring up the function palette. Place a while loop on your block diagram by selecting Express to the execution control to the while loop. So that's where you can find the while loop box. I'm just choose the while loop with button. Then, place a DAQ Assistant Express VI inside your while loop. This is located in the input sub palette on the Express palette, or you can just search it on the search bar. Okay, a configuration window should appear. Choose acquire signal to make the following selection. Measure type to the analog input to the voltage. Channel to the dev1 to AI0 and click finish. Okay, another configuration window will appear. Make the following selection and click OK. For the acquisition mode, click Continuous Samples at the bottom left. Okay, wait for the loading. Then, right click on the output terminal of the DAQ function and choose create and the graph indicator. I'm just gonna rename it waveform graph. After that done, place the time delay express VI. Locate on the function to the express to the execution control palette within the while loop on the block diagram. In the configure time delay dialog box that appear, type 0.1 and click OK. To perform analysis on your data, select statistic express VI from the express to the signal analysis subpalette of the function palette and place it on your block diagram. Okay, I found it. Let's put on my block diagram. Okay, a properties window will appear. Make the following selection and click OK. Statistical calculation, arithmetic mean, external value, maximum and minimum. Okay, right click the arithmetic means output of the statistic VI and select the create to the numeric indicators. This will create a numeric indicators in the front panel that will display the arithmetic mean. Repeat this step for both the maximum and minimum outputs of the statistic VI. Okay, switch to the front panel and rearrange your control and indicator to resemble the following. And then save the VI. And then run the VI. A sine wave is read from the simulated AQ device, and this allows the developer to develop the system without hardware. Go to the block diagram, to the function palette, select express to the output, to the right to measurement file, and place it inside the while loop in the block diagram. A configuration window will appear. Enter the following parameters and click OK. For the X value, which is time column, pick the one column only. And at the bottom left, save to series of file, which is multiple files. Alright, all done. Let's save the file. Okay, that's all for the exercise 2. Let's move on to the next video, which is exercise 3. Bye bye.